Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And this is early morning. And I didn't use any microphone or anything. And I think the room has created a kind of atmosphere, acoustic sound. So, the gift from the city. And you will see a lot of this shop in the street, in the tourist shops, and just local grocery stores. So I need to have one as a souvenir. Okay. And another thing, I do not know where this is from, but I feel this is the brand that I do not get from my place. And when I travel, I give myself the permission to eat some bonbon, because in traveling I eat some bonbon. How do I open it? I think. Oh yeah, so easy to open. And I bought it because Shandong, I have never eaten really this fruit, so I want to try it. There is a soft heart inside. Oh, we can zoom in. I will do it later when I showed you the other good stuff. I have a special love for labello, and this one. Now I come here, I get the real labello. Labello yesterday, and this one is shine, and the color is not strong enough. I was excited to get it, but then I realized the color is a little bit missing, so I decided to get this one. Also, as I remember last year I bought it. Every year when I come here I will buy. Oh, this is sun protection. It's good. Let's see this color. Look at it. It cannot focus on. Now it's better. Now let's see the color. Oh my goodness, this might be just the color I want. This is the color that's a bit light for traveling. Let me try it. And this morning I will do this. Now I will not show you because I just woke up and did not have any makeup. Oh, it just looks so sleepy. Give me 1 minute. So this is truly the one for all. Maybe I will show you my sleepy face. This is the one for all. I love it. So here I am with it. The chair is a little bit without it. Without it. Oh my gosh, what do I look? And with it. I love it. I love. I like it, and I can use it for traveling. One of it is sufficient. Should I buy another one? No, I will not buy another one. Souvenir, when it is less, it is more precious. You have a lot, you lose its value, and this is more cherishable. Don't you think so? Oh, look at myself. Oh my goodness. You have a beautiful, beautiful morning. This is 5 o'clock. I think I still have a time difference, jet lag, or I still I am too excited when I am by myself. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot. Let me put a book under it. Yeah, now I feel more comfortable. I can sit. Let's try this. Oh my goodness, tastes good. Very sour, sweet, and has a distinct. It looks like making advertisement for it, so I will not show too much. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it. I also bought yogurt. Sorry, I will not talk and Oh my. it's a soft feeling. Feel in, it's a soft feeling. But it's not liquid. It's kind of a dough, a gluey. A very, very condensed syrup. It's not like Ricola, and you get to the center, then it melts, becomes water, becomes liquid. This is less liquid, more less runny. See, it is less runny, a bit like nougat texture, the soft, or the soft caramel, soft caramel. Oh, it's so good. Okay, another thing I got is yogurt. So I went to, I was in the supermarket. I have some time. The shop closed at 9 p.m. because it's a train station, and I have some time to burn, no time to go to another place. So I was standing in front of the yogurt to choose. So there are top fin, which is a curd, I think. Top fin, there was yogurt, there was dessert, there was alternative, there were puddings, and originally I chose the top fin, the curd. The curd is made by putting acid into the milk and becomes curdy, becomes crumbled together, and then they either blend it or just like it. Originally, I chose that one, and as I bought, I start to think that is not as good as yogurt, because in yogurt there is true bacteria, the starter, start to develop, and it helps our guts. That's my feeling. There are some bifidus, there was some skyr, different kind. Skyr must be Scandinavian, and that's the yogurt I like, because science or not, in my brain, in my philosophy, that yogurt, that developed milk, that bacteria helps the digestion. And in my opinion, that milk, that acidified, put vinegar in, and then crumble and make the form of yogurt, make the form of curd. There is no chemical process. There is not a due chemical process. There is not a timed, a developed, a gradual chemical process. So I do not, I do not like it. If this is a crucial time for all the country, I buy only one thing, and I have only one, maybe two breakfasts to prepare, I will choose the yogurt. So this is why I bought this one. And I love the lid, and I love the bottle. It's almost the same price. I may be unable to take back my bottle, but this lid fits. I like, oh, quite sour. I like the lid with nature, natürlich. I shall be more respectful and put it into a small container. It's good. It's very good. It's like exactly like the yogurt I made at home without draining. I make yogurt to this stage, and then I put my my muslin, a piece of cheesecloth to let it drain. But this one is before drain. It's really a natural yogurt, completely nature. I like it. So good. I'm sorry. Breakfast in bed, in the real sense, or at least bedroom, living room altogether. I'm thinking if I rent an apartment in any place for 1 week, 1 month, and live the life there. Go to supermarket, go to local market, store, bookstore, library. Oh, I will be so happy. I enjoy it. And everything is like this. The more you do, the more you want it, the more you understand the fun of it, and the more you enjoy it and benefit it and develop it. So that's the thing about traveling. Now I want to travel more. I see my sister. This time I met my sister in another country like 6 years ago. It's good to travel. So good, so fun, so fun. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Cuckoo bye bye. Bon appetito.